guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video. So today I have this huge box and I'm gonna show you what I got. The first thing I got is this Neutrogena makeup wipes. So they're like makeup strips. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Small makeup strips, so they're just makeup wipes. So whenever you're on the go, you can always throw one in your back pocket. I can always use these for my clients. So I also have the Philips Milk of Magnesia. So this has a lot of benefits, but we won't be drinking this. We'll be using this for makeup tutorial. I'm going to try it out. You see that video coming soon.
We also have
I have the True Confident Cream Contour Palette, medium to dark, and this is what it looks like. Sculpt, highlight. Then I got me some lashes. These are to die for.
also have the NYX. I don't know if you can see this, but it's the NYX Professional Makeup. It's the actual base. Then we have
And this is what it looks like. So it comes with like this. I don't know what to do with this. And then we have my ring light. I'm gonna set up this, and it also has the Bluetooth battery. So we're gonna try how does this work.
we're getting somewhere.
Hi guys, so I'm back again, a whole different angle. So now we're going to test out the ring light to see what's the whole drama about ring light and how this lighting works, because if this is what I expect, then we coming out with some banger videos. So this is me without the light. Inside I have no light on right now. This is just natural lighting. So this is me with the ring light. So far I'm loving this light. I'm loving this light. So we're going to try to work this. So I guess this is turning it down. Yeah, so this is us turning on the light. Let's see. Okay, so this is natural sunlight, and this is us turning up the light. Like it can go high like this when turning back up. So this is me, and then so let's try to turn this up. Oh. Then we're going to turn it down. Like, guys, do you see that light? Like, what? Like, what? Let's turn it back up. I'm feeling this. Like I like this. So I'm gonna try with back camera. I've never filmed with back camera because I'm using my cell phone. I always use my cell phone to film, and I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So this is the front camera. I'm gonna try the back camera to see what we actually get. So let's see. I'm actually loving the light. It's worth paying for. It really does. Like I think I'm gonna film like at night. I can start doing videos at night. It means I can start uploading more contents finally. Yeah, so
now you can't get rid of me no more. You can get rid. You can get the iPad. You can get with the iPad. Get with the iPad. Get with the iPad. Get with the iPad.
And also guys, I just wanted to say that I've been gone for a while. Like I haven't uploaded in about a week now. That's because I almost broke my arm. So I took off the wristband, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on. So my right hand, I could hardly function with my right hand. My wrist is so swollen. You guys will see like this also happened because of what happened. So I am on pain meds to help with the pain because I do work at home, so I have to be on the computer for 13 hours. So that's a lot of pain and a lot of pressure from my hand. But I will be uploading contents. I'll try my best. I'm trying to go with at least 2 videos per week, but I'm going to take it a step at a time and just go with 1 video per week so I can get myself into the groove of things, and I'm gonna try my best to bring us some banger videos for you guys. I have a list of stuff that I want to upload. Like I have some new makeup products which I also showed you at the start of the video, like the Milk of Magnesia. I want to test that out because if you guys can see, I have oily skin. I have acne prone skin. A lot of person will not call this acne, but it's acne for me. I also want to see how best that works to like control all these oils, because trust me, having oily skin and acne skin, like it's hard. Like it's a struggle. It's a struggle. But yeah, so far I really like this. It also comes with this little remote. You can use this for taking pictures, so you know we got some banger pictures coming up. I also have a few collabs coming out. I won't be announcing those soon. I have a few collab with a few makeup page, so the reviews will be coming out soon. What else do I want to tell you guys? Yes, guys, when you're watching the video, please, like, when you're sharing it to your friends or subscribing, you have to watch at least 1 minute of the video, because what's happening is YouTube are removing the subscribers. So a lot of persons are asked, why are you still not at 200k? Why haven't your subscribers increased? Guys, it has surpassed 200k, but YouTube do remove the subscribers if you're not watching the videos. So if you just subscribe and then you leave, YouTube gonna remove you. So that's what's happening. So you guys, you have to watch the videos, okay? When you're sharing it to your friends, please advise them, if you're gonna subscribe, at least watch 1 minute of the video. This way you're still benefiting me and you guys will still be notified. But yeah, so far I am loving this. It works really good. And guys, please remember, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.